It might seem for some that the purpose of crypto is to do away with banks completely, but the reality is that they still serve as an essential fiat on and off ramp for a vast majority of crypto holders and traders. Traditional brick-and-mortar banks may be slow with crypto adoption, but many digital-only neobanks have rushed to fill this gap. And for this reason, many users have turned to these online banks for crypto transactions and services. So let's take a look at the top crypto-friendly digital banks currently available depending on where you are in the world. Monzo is a British online bank based in London. It is one of the first movers in the digital-only banking sector to challenge traditional players. Monzo is popular with over 7 million users as of January this year and has publicly stated that they are not anti-crypto. Monzo accounts are fully authorized by the UK government and are insured for up to £85,000 per account. However, similar to traditional banks, they also do not provide native cryptocurrency services. They only allow fund transfers to regulated crypto exchanges in the UK, such as Coinbase. They, for instance, don't support transfers to Binance, which may make Monzo unsuitable for many users. They are, however, only available to those who are based in the UK and also have a valid UK address. Here's one for you if you're from the US. Ally Bank is another online bank based in Utah, founded in 2009. It currently boasts 11 million customers and 154 billion in deposits. It offers competitive interest rates on its savings account, money market accounts, and certificates of deposit, CDs. It also is part of a fee-free ATM network with over 43,000 ATMs available to make cash withdrawals from. Ally Bank is FDIC insured, meaning all deposits up to $250,000 per depositor for each qualifying account category is protected. Ally Bank is one of the more crypto-friendly online banks out there, though they don't offer spot crypto trading directly on their platform. They do offer various crypto-based investment products such as crypto trusts, Bitcoin futures ETFs, and crypto stocks. As with most other banks, they also allow fund transfers to regulated crypto exchanges. Moving on, we have Wirex, a mobile payments platform based in London and founded in 2014, which now has over 5 million users. Wirex is probably the most crypto-centric payment platform in our list, but isn't technically a bank and so doesn't benefit from state-backed deposit insurance. Wirex markets themselves as a Web3 money app, so it's no surprise that they offer a variety of crypto-related products and services. Though its white paper, last updated a year ago, does state that Wirex will focus on building products that integrate both DeFi and TradFi elements. Currently, Wirex provides services via their mobile and web apps, such as exchanges for over 50 fiat and cryptocurrencies, fiat and crypto payments, as well as various saving, lending, borrowing, and reward programs like crypto backs up to 8% with every card purchase. It also has a native token, WXT, which is used for subscription payments and other rewards. Wirex offers several product tiers ranging from their free standard plan to their premium or elite plans, going for $9.99 or $29.99 per month respectively. Do note that different Wirex products are regulated differently, with their fiat services regulated by the Bank of Lithuania, while their crypto-related offerings are not. Deposits are safeguarded as e-money, but this does not carry the same guarantees as government-backed deposit insurance schemes. Be sure to check out their website for full details, which we'll link in the description below. Wirex is currently available in over 40 countries and recently signed a long-term global partnership with Visa to expand its footprint in the Asia-Pacific region and the UK. Finally, we have Revolut, a neobank and fintech company founded more recently in 2015, based in London. Revolut is very popular with over 18 million customers worldwide, as it is available to residents of the European Economic Area, Australia, Singapore, Switzerland, Japan, the UK, and the US. Revolut has a suite of crypto services, including buying, selling, and transferring crypto directly from the app, price alerts, and crypto learn and earn programs. They also offer investing with crypto collections, which are indices of the 100 plus available cryptos grouped into different sectors like layer ones, gaming, DeFi, and more. Similar to Wirex, its crypto services are also not regulated or deposit insured. Crypto custody is provided with cold storage via third-party custodians where private keys are not connected to the internet. You can also transfer crypto out of the app and into your own self-custodial wallet. In the EU and EEA, Revolut operates as a bank regulated by the Bank of Lithuania, and customer funds are covered up to 100,000 euros in total per depositor in the event of its failure. However, in the other countries where it is available, it is not a bank and regulated differently. So be sure to check the specific terms and conditions relevant to you if you're planning to sign up. Granted, there are not very many, if at all, platforms around which provide a one-stop shop for fiat and crypto services. However, it may be a fair bet that online-first and online-only neobanks might be faster to adopt crypto than traditional incumbents. What about you? What bank do you use? Is it crypto-friendly, or do you feel the need to stay under the radar? If you're not fussed about traditional banking options, watch this video to find out about the top MetaMask alternatives.